Do you know that you can earn money just by listening to music? Do you know that you can earn money just by listening to music? Did you know that you can make money just by listening to music? Welcome to this video. You will see how to make money just by listening to music. You can download the application in Play Store or other store. No matter what country you are in, this application allows you to earn money wherever you are in the world. If you have an idea of music or if you like to listen to music, this site is for you. I repeat, if you have an idea of music or if you like to listen to music, this site is well made for you. Just enter the phone number in your country and it sends you the link to download. To know how to increase your income, stay alert and watch out until the end to know the trick. Earning money on the internet is available today. If you have a good rule, you can earn more than $1,000 every end of the month. Our unlimited business training offers this kind of deals. The link is in the description. People earn money with our YouTube channel and they are proud to be with us. These sites pay real money and they work well. Just listen to music on this site and you will be rewarded. Stay tuned to the video to see how well you will do to earn that money by just listening to music. You can go to restaurants, supermarkets, movies and many other places with this money. You can even fill up your car or pay some of your bills. It's easy to use and it's simple. We tested it before we made it available to you. With this money, it will be a passive income for you wherever you are in the world. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything new on our channel. You can listen to this music wherever you are and whenever you want. All you need is an internet connection and a cell phone. Stay tuned to this video to learn more about how the site works. The site is in all languages and they work very well. Just add your phone number plus your country and you will have the link to download its application. It exists for some time and pay money to users on the site. Very few know about it and they make money with this site. The site is simply called current.us. You can earn up to $600 if you work well on the site. Even on the site, you will see an icon that shows you how to earn $600. If you are an employee, a salesman, whatever your status is, you should work on this site to have even more passive income at the end of the month. We have tested it and they work well. If you have an idea of music or if you like to listen to music, this site is for you. You can further increase your income with this simple tips in this video. You just need to have a lot of referrals and create several accounts. This income will allow you to have more money coming in at the end of each month. We earn money with this website. I repeat, you must refer more people and open several accounts. You will be rewarded on your work done on current.us. If you like to listen to music in your life no matter what business you are in, this site is for you. I believe in a month you will build another site to have even more source of income. Earning money on the internet is simply possible today thanks to the internet. With many possibilities that are present today. You just have to find the right way to operate in the right way. Here are the visionaries. We arrived at the end of this video. Subscribe to the channel, ask all your questions in the comments. This is the online business channel. Like the video if you like it more. Then write, I like, in the comment space if you like this kind of video. Some people earn money with the help of our contents that are on this YouTube channel. Enjoy and dig into the contents. I hope you will find something interesting to earn money on the internet. We offer training that is reliable in every way. This training will allow you to earn money every end of the month up to $1,000. The link is in the description. Write us by mail to ask your opinion. Subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell and see you next time.